Let's start the day off right. It's a little slow. I came back here. Ooh, everything looked good. I already started taking some tape off. Ooh, look at that wet. I seen a few spots that we weren't able to get, but it's all good. I'm happy with the results, except I fudged up. Y'all see the blue popping out? I did that because the paint will flake off of that anyways. So I did it on the tie rod ends, but I forgot to do them right there. They got painted black, those little rubbers. They look good right now, but they'll start chipping, dog. That's the problem. But I started taping, I didn't finish taping everything. But other than that, man, this shit gonna be good. So let's go to the list. We can actually take off a lot of shit off the list, honestly. We haven't been hitting the list, which we've been productive, but let's get back on the list. The list got us going. I think it'll only help. So let's go ahead, scratch off a few things. Yep, sand and prep frame rails, inside, out, and bottom, all that. Hang spindles. Spindles are hung. Clean and prep spindles and brakes. I didn't even do that, but we already painted them. Like, I cleaned them a little bit. I wasn't 100% done, but like I said, we had some extra clear. He's like, fool, you should shoot them real right now. We did. Okay, what else? Replace brake line. Okay, now that we can do that now. Transmission, yep. Oh man, we gotta figure out the transmission. I'm gonna call Frank again. I called him once, he never called me back. Let me try him again. If not, we'll gotta do it. What else? Paint gearbox, we did that. Clean and prep top and inside of the frame, we did that. Degrease and power wash frame and engine bay, that took forever, but we finally did it. All right, parts list, we got them. The paint, well, shit, we don't need the black paint. We already got that. Let's scratch that off. We still need the transmission stuff. Steering shaft, yep, we still need that. We still need that. We don't need the sandpaper no more. All right, cool. We did a lot of crossing off. Now let me do some thinking so we can start adding. And we'll go from there. I was checking if I ain't getting the overspray. Nah, we good. We were able to tape it up good. The only bad thing is these motherfucking cats, dog. My ass left my sweater there. I hate cats, dog. That shit, ugh. Give me the heebie-jeebies. Anyways, that's good. We ain't getting no overspray. Now we got a long list that I added. So shit. Let me unwrap this joint real quick. Make sure I ain't getting no overspray here in the front. I think I did a good job taping. We'll see. Let me unwrap this shit. Oh yeah, good. Whoo, we ain't getting no overspray. We got to respray this, but I was just worried about the overspray or the clear. We did a good job on this side. Oh yeah. Nah, we good. We good. Oh yeah. Cool. Damn, y'all, we failed on the tape job. Got all types of overspray. Look. You see the bumper look dull? Man, my chrome on my bumper is good as hell. That's all that overspray. And we got overspray right there too. I guess it came, I did wrap the bumper, but that clear came up and it came through here. But damn, we're gonna have to clean the bumper, y'all. I did not want that. You see that? That shit dull as hell. Shit, my chrome good as hell on my bumper. That's that overspray. Fail. And then all my old shit looks old compared to the new shit. But nah, once I get everything in here, and then I'll polish out the tubs a little bit. Now this is overspray. I gotta try to clean the overspray. But you know, that shit look gloss. And this already look old and busted. But we'll clean it up once I got everything up on there. But we did fail. Now our bumper is oversprayed like a motherfucker. Add that to the list. Finna pop these stock arms right quick. I just have to check which one's which and if they send us two. Yeah, there's a right and a left. And you could put these backwards. So Like I said, the chrome arms are going back on the car, but once we put the switches on, we're gonna test drive it for a little bit, get it tuned just right, and then we'll slap all the drogues back on there. But let's slap these stock arms on. Bang, bang, slap that joint in. Looks good, looks good. The only thing is I slipped up and already chipped up some shit. Look at that, dog. Damn. I slipped and boom, chipped that shit when I was trying to tighten the bolt. We got one side on. And then shit, you know, we had these big washers because we were trying to straighten out the wheels. Right now, these ain't got no shims. They do need shims. Every A-arm needs shims, you know what I'm saying, to get the alignment proper. But we're not worried about alignment right now. We just want to get this thing put back down on the floor. And I'm only going to drive it for a few weeks, so I don't even think I'm going to get it aligned with these A-arms. Let me pop that other side on. Yes, sir. Yicky D. Yicky motherfucking D. Got both of them holes on there. Gotta slap this, you know what I'm saying, this little grease nipple. Comes with a cotter pin. I'm not gonna put the cotter pin in yet until we assemble it, but let me throw this little grease nipple up in this joint. Shit, man, these arms are a damn good deal, y'all. $60, fresh ball joints, fresh bushings, the whole thing. Shit, I wouldn't change the ball joints for $60. Sometimes, you know, and these come like the OG style, riveted. If your ball joints is bad on your OG box Chevy, shit, go ahead and just get the whole arm. It'd be a lot easier, y'all. I mean, yeah, you do gotta disassemble all this, but shit, that's a deal. $60 with fresh shit. You gonna spend 40 or 50 on the parts, the bushings and the ball joints and shit. That's a damn good deal right there, boy. I'll tell you what. Off that Rock Auto. Shit, them hoes still got some shine, boy. I'm here cleaning these hoes up. Look how they dull they looked. Still got some shine. I really need new bushings, but since these ain't the arms we're going with on the final build, we're just gonna slap these back on like this. These are just stock arms. All they did was weld some donuts and got them chrome plated. So Al fabricated me some reinforced ones. We hopefully got some money to get them chrome plated. But these, we slapping them back in like that. Just cleaning them up. Oh, and I'm gonna drill 2 holes in the donuts just in case I need to put shocks. Yeah, drill me some holes through the donuts just in case I need to put shocks. Shit, got them boys shining. Drilled them holes. I don't know if the shocks will even fit through the donut holes, but we have the holes drilled already in case. Ooh, shit, the chrome's still alright on them. Yes, sirski. Got both arms installed. Shit, kind of look good down here, man. Kind of look good. Slap this side on right quick. Ooh, starting to look like something, y'all. Starting to look like something. Alright, got both spindles on that joint. Pull these joints out. I brung my spring compressor because I know good and well them hoes ain't gonna fit like that. I'm probably even gonna have trouble with the spring compressor, but let me compress one of them joints, try to get that joint in. The thing compressed a little bit. I can still compress it a little more and maybe move it up. I ain't did one in a minute, so I'm gonna try it like that. Let me go get a damn jack. See if we can get this shit to fit up in there. Alright, got that thing up underneath there. Got me a jack. So we just need this to go up in here. That's easier said than done if y'all did this. It might be okay, and I hope I can get the compressor out. Sometimes you get it in there and it'd be hard to get the spring compressor out if you didn't put it right. Oh, let me try to lower this arm down, bitch. Get down, oh. All right, yeah, I can't do this one-handed, so I'll click y'all back on in case if I get it on there.